So I am giving you the homework to find out the question answers. You will find it yourself, then we will do write the question answers in the next lecture. So where is the Corbett National Park located? It is located about 51 kilometers away from Ramnagar in the valley of Ramganga river, close to the foothill of Himalayas. So mention the two ways to get to the Corbett National Park. So you will write here, either you can go by train and covering the rest of the journey by either a bus or a jeep, or you can you can go to Ramnagar and hire a jeep for the entire day. So what is there at the entrance of the Corbett National Park? What is there at the entrance? There is a small memorable shop at the entrance where you will get everything you need to play, like Corbett Hunter hats, t-shirts or with the pug marks and so on. Mention any 4 rules you have to follow in the Corbett National Park. क्या क्या rules हैं वहाँ पे? We have to mention any 4. Like you are not allowed to litter. So you are provided with a gunny bag. Then you cannot step out of the jeep. Smoking is not allowed. And the 4th one you can write no bonfires, or the 5th one is you are not allowed to make any noise. Okay, so you can write any 4. So what is the cost of the elephant safari? The cost of elephant safari is rupees 200 per person. So we can make some extra questions from this also. So it is your homework. Just try to make 3-4 extra questions from this lesson. Right? Make 3 to 4 questions from this lesson. This is your homework. So we have started this on 16th, right? That is the Wednesday. So try to form some few questions from this lesson. 1 line or 1 word questions. So fill in the blanks with the correct form of words given in the brackets. You can get an accommodation in Forest Guest House. You can't walk in the Corbett National Park without the permit से बनेगा permission of higher authority. There is a dash of elephants. Shortage. The dash of guest house depends upon the number of tourists. The availability. Then an elephant safari is a leisurely way of sightseeing. So I will give you the vocabulary words also tomorrow, and you try to frame 2 or 3 questions from this lesson. Either it can be 1 word or 1 sentence answers, and complete this. We have discussed this. You can write it yourself, or otherwise I will give you the written question answers by tomorrow.